right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting this channel. Well, we say a very big amen to that. Well, my people, this is another one reaching us right now. Well, onto this, finally, Buhari Kastina elders now in support of Sunday Igboho. Hey, this is serious. In fact, they now declare support for Yoruba Nation movement. This set of people are now tired. And then what are we talking about? In Kastina right now, with what we ask, with the news reaching us, and Kastina is the state of the president of Nigeria. That is to tell you that nobody is safe. If these people can do all these atrocities, if the bandits can commit all these atrocity in a state of the president of the country, then where else is safe? What are we trying to tell ourselves? Yoruba Nation movement, you people should not relent, because what is happening right now in Kastina state, the state where Aisha Buhari and her husband is from, all the people, all the family members, they are now like, oh, what these Yoruba people are saying, that they want to go their separate ways. So this is real. In fact, no wonder now they cannot take it anymore. So what are they trying to prove to us? That if they can tackle, if they can hold the people in the president state hostage, then who are you that they cannot get to your state? And exactly what they are trying to let us understand. My brother, my sister, no be smart, Well, with what is happening right now, there's been a lot of groaning. The people are crying. In Kastina State, this is happening right now. When you Google it, you will see everything for yourselves. Well, with what is reaching us right now, it has been said that terrorists now use our men as slaves. The women complaining right now on their farms, rape our wives, daughters. Kastina elders cry out. All right. Can you hear that? All the elders in Kastina State right now are crying. They are wailing. That with what is going on in Kastina State right now, though the president is from the state, but he cannot do anything to them. Now, bandits are now moving freely. They can do anything they want, and they get away with it. This story I'm going to tell you right now, my brother, my sister, as I'm looking at it, I am shedding tears for the people of Nigeria. I am shedding tears inside of me for the people who are saying one Nigeria is what they want. I am shedding tears for those who are shouting, yes, so there's going to be restructuring. That restructuring is what will make it happen. My brother, my sister, come and hear things for yourself. This is happening live as we are talking right now. The elders in Kastina State are tired. They like, we don't want one Nigeria again. We want to go our separate ways. Where do they want to go to? All right, so and then my brother, my sister, everybody needs to wake up. Well, with the news reaching us right now, according to what I have here, it says elders of rural communities in Kastina State have lamented that men in their villages now work as slaves on farms owned by bandits, even as the hoodlums have developed a taste for constantly raping married women and teenage girls. This one is happening in the state of your president. Well, in a report by BBC Hausa Service transcribed by Tribune Online, the elders described the series of invasions as atrocities committed by the bandits as mind-boggling. The elders, under the aegis of the movement to secure Kastina citizens, called on all patriotic citizens to contribute to the effort to tackle the security problems in the state. Well, speaking on behalf of the others in the interview with BBC Hausa Service, one of the elders, Dr. Bashir Kofi, noted that apart from the senseless killing of innocent people, and then cattle theft, raping of women and then teenage girls by the bandit was now rampant in the communities. Well, Coffee said it is not essay. Quite often, we come across victims of rape, women who were raped and then even mutilated by these bandits. Even more worrisome, these bandits will knock at the doors of villagers and they ask the men to bring out their wives and daughters. Well, in case you don't understand with what had been gathered, I said this time around, what they even now do is they will come to your house. They will now knock at the door. They will call on the father of the house that that's your beautiful wife in that house. You have to bring her down to our hut for us to be with her, lay with her. And then even that your beautiful wife, beautiful daughter, so to say, we want her, bring them. That's what they are now doing right now. They will come to your house. No, willingly. You don't have option. You have to take your wife or your daughter to them or else. All right, even more worrisome, these bandits will knock at the doors of villagers and then ask the men to bring out their wives and daughters. These helpless men have no option but to obey or they will face the music. The kind of music they will face is not music that you are dancing oh lo lo lo. Okay, music of death. They kill you, they waste you. At the end of the day, they will still take your wife and your daughter. So it's better just respect yourself, carry and go there, and then make them do what they need to do. Too bad. Well, the wife or daughter will go with them. Meaning will go with the bandit for 1 or 2 weeks and they returned to their homes after being sexually abused or raped. 1 or 2 weeks. This is the calamity that has befallen most of our communities. I recall one day when we took 9 women to the hospital after being gang raped by 40 bandits. That is serious. The hospital we took them to advised us to take some of the women to VVF centers for proper care. That is another serious one. All right, so and then he expressed his dismay at the way the bandits were inflicting pains on the people as if we don't have a government. Now get government before. Well, he said, we all know these bandits move around with motorcycles. Where are they getting the bikes? They move around with AK-47 rifles. How did they get them? Where are they getting the drugs they are taking? What is really happening? What is the government aloof? These are pertinent questions that are waiting for answers. The elders also condemned the position of some state governments who are signing peace deal with bandits without results. Well, Coffee said, how do you sign such peace deal without making concrete arrangements for the victims? Well, it is not enough to dialogue with these bandits. Several negotiations have taken place between the state government and the bandits, but no state government can as of yet tell you sincerely that insecurity has ended in its domain. He said the community elders were displeased with the continued closure of schools in the state and they were pained that rural dwellers were becoming increasingly vulnerable to attacks. Well, the bandits attack, kidnap, and they take the villagers to work on farms as slaves while they rape women and girls. Well, my people, I think I just have to draw the curtain here. Well, what are we actually talking about? This is the time everybody needs to fully wake up. Some set of people are still saying, yes, so what we want is one Nigeria. We cannot separate. At least, now our Tinubu go make it happen. I laugh because this set of people, even though they have not proved to you that even in your president states, we have dominated. Then who are you? That is to tell you that this set of people are into something. Okay, now take a look at it. They are going about bandito. They are going about with bags, with AK-47. Where did they get them from? Who is sponsoring them? And exactly what is happening. They want to make the country unbearable for everyone. And there is a lot of people are still saying, yes, one Nigeria, now we want. All right, Yoruba Nation agitators on this one, they've woken up. And then one of them has said that we cannot allow this set of things to keep happening, to start happening in our own town before we wake up. Yes, so that right now everybody needs to wake up. Yes, so everybody needs to wake up, and exactly what we are getting right now. This is happening in the state of your so-called President Muhammadu Buhari in Kastina state. The governors are there, the councillors, the chief, everybody is there. Nobody is saying anything. Do you want to tell us, or do they want to tell us? They don't know what is happening. All right, and exactly what it is right now onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.